Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're talking about a booster that was emailed yesterday. You couldn't load it, but today it's actually working. So I think it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you can use this booster to get some of these items for free, if not really, really cheap. So here it is. It's a 10 back when you spend 50. Not every account got this, but I only have 2 accounts and one of my 2 received it, and I got an email yesterday. I think some of you might have even better ones, like a 10 back when you spend 40. I think a couple people were showing that on social media. So go to the top of your coupons folder, and if it expires on the 28th, you can start using it right away. This is of a one-time use. You can either use it in store or online for a curbside order, and that's what we're doing in this video. And as you see, it expires on Saturday the 28th. So let's get into this. Just a very quick video with some new deals. The first one are in fact both triple stacks, which is really weird. So this guy you could load. It's a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Dental Care, and they have a similar promotion that when you spend 50, you're getting an additional 15. You don't have to load anything. And then this friend that you're going to have to load, which is a 10 back when you spend 50, if you may have it. Tossing into your basket is all dental care products. The first is the Crest 3D White. It's a pen for $24.99. You have a $10 digital coupon that you have to load. You're also going to throw in some Crest 3D White strips with an additional $10 digital coupon as well. And then just to show you guys, using the code WAG10, we're going to save an additional $3.50 here. And you have to use that code because you have to be at a $50 threshold for the $15 basket and then the $10 basket, which is really weird because it is a triple stack. Subtracting $3.50, you are at $51.48. $20 in digitals. With your debit card, you're going to pay $34.57. You're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, 15 times 2 for the 2 different boosters, and that additional 10. It makes this like a $6 money maker. It's crazy. Do not use Walgreens cash, but if you were on the fence with that dental care deal, this is the way to do it. Okay, so the next deal that I have for you guys, again, you need this little friend loaded, which is the 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Dental Care, along with the other one that we showed you this morning. This is of a one-time use, this guy, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. And I know that $50 is a larger basket. Not going to deny that. So throwing in one of these really fancy Oral-B IOs for $59.99, and we also have a $10 digital that you can load for that. And just to show you guys the $10 melting off there, the digital coupon, and then $7.50 using the code MAR15. Now, this product is $59.99, so subtracting that $7.50, you are still at $52.49 for the spend 50, earn back 10, and then the spend 50 to earn back 15 on P&G Dental Care products. So after that comes off and the $10 manufacturer, before tax, you're paying $42.49, and you're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, 30 for those 2 dental care boosters, and that additional 10. It makes this $249 for a really fancy toothbrush. So I would definitely make this happen if you've been eyeing that toothbrush. $249 if you can line it up perfectly. I think it's just such a great deal. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at is skincare, and you need this friend loaded, the 10 back when you spend 50. If you guys remember, we had that promotion of spend 25 on beauty, earn back 10, so it's going to be working in concert with this deal. We have a 20 off a 2 if you might have it, and see that $24.99, you would be short. So you have to buy a more expensive one and this cheaper one. So they, of course, probably did that purposefully. But we're going to throw one of these Regenerous and then one of these more expensive purple Regenerous. I guess this one's fragrance free. So one's a night recovery and I think one's for the day. Now, we have that manufacturer, the 20 off a 2. That's coming off along with WAG10, and we're using a smaller booster, and here's why. The overall total is $54.98, subtracting $3.50 again. you're paying $51.48. So for the spend 50 to earn back 10, you are there. $20 manufacturer melting off, you're going to pay $34.57 with your debit card, get back $20 in Walgreens cash. Basically making it, let's see, I'm going to subtract the tax too because some people don't even pay tax. It's $11.48 for the two, or like $5.74 per, which is a fabulous price point. If you can line this up exactly how we're talking and do this as a curbside deal, you can save so much money and get some of these great items so cheap. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.